Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Like, guys, I get asked this question in my DMs. I get asked this question at the mall, on campus, at the post office, like wherever I've been, someone or people have asked me this question. So you want to stay tuned for this video because I will be answering this very, 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 very highly asked question. And I'll be sharing every single thing with you guys. So stay tuned. I will be telling you guys what products I use, okay? So basically, these are the products that I've been using like since the inception of my natural hair. So basically, since the beginning, like from day one, these are my realest, like these are my OGs. These are my fighters. These are my fighters. Like, listen here, when they say battle, like these are the products me, myself, and like I will pick these ones first. So like for real, like these ones, these are the realest. The realest. She will. Yeah. Anyways, the realest. So I'm gonna start with my shampoo and conditioner. Okay. I have been using Protein Feed shampoo and conditioner since the beginning of my natural hair journey. Like I've been loving Protein Feed because it's like it has like the right amount of protein to strengthen my hair and moisturize my hair at the same time. So it has a little bit of the moisturizing side, and it also has a little bit of the strengthening side. So these are like a huge plus, and the shampoo is amazing because it just cleans. Like I've noticed that some shampoos just leave flakes on my scalp, but this one doesn't. It does the real things. So I would definitely suggest that you try Protein Feed. And like the reason why I actually used these was that they're very affordable. Like I think when I started using them, they were like 50 rand, 50 something rand, but then obviously things got a little bit more expensive, so now they're at about 60 something rand. I think I saw it for about 60 something, but I'll put the price like on the screen somewhere. So yeah, my fighters, my fighters. These are my second option, shampoo and conditioner, the Garnier ultimate blends. Like I don't know what Garnier did here, but they did a real thing proper. Like they did a real thing proper. Like with these are the avocado oil, but there's also the honey treasures that I love, and there's also the milk. No, there's the rice cream and milk oats range as well, which is like really good. I saw, like, when I was at Discom not so long ago, I saw a refreshing aloo something. I've never tried that one, but it looks very interesting. Something that I definitely try. So yeah, these definitely, I will put the prices of each because these are sold separately. They're not like the Protein Feed that's sold together. So yeah, I'll just put the prices like on this side and on this side. The moisturizers. The moisturizers, listen here, baby girl, Garnier still my fighter. Garnier, guys, like with the ultimate blends, Nagiti, like it was like they were on steroids or something, because they did a like really, this ultimate blends thing works. Like like it works. So I used to use the Honey Treasures um Nourishing Repairer Blum, but then they don't make it anymore because I can't find it anyway. So like if you guys have seen it, please like let me know, because I will do anything for that. So I use the avocado oil one now because yeah, it's the one that I can find. It's really really good. It keeps like it's very creamy and it's very rich and like listen. And then there's also this one. I think this one, like if you have like high porosity hair, I would definitely suggest this one. This one is the realest, guys. Like, and it smells so good. Like it smells, how can I say this? Like it smells calm, like it smells sensitive, it smells like husa. That's what it smells like. It smells amazing, amazing, amazing. So I would definitely suggest this one. And then my deep conditioner. um I use this Alma Legends. um Oh no, this is in another language. Replenishing hair mask deep treatment. This Dark and Lovely slapped here, right? I have never really tried any Dark and Lovely products, but then a friend of mine was using this and I was like, oh, can I try this? And then I tried it out and I loved it. I went and I got it for myself and I've never looked back. Like I've never looked back, guys. So this one, yo, like, you see, when it comes to deep conditioning, this is my fighter. This is my fighter. And then my second option for deep conditioning, I don't have it here, but it's the Honey Treasures, Garnier Ultimate Blends Honey Treasures hair mask. They still make that one. That like Leona Shame fighter number one for deep conditioning. So like if you are looking for a quick deep conditioner, definitely these two I would suggest them. And then my oils. Okay, so the oils that I use, these are are my main oils. Okay, I use coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil, and grapeseed oil. See, these are my top four oils. Like these oils, like, listen, you can find them anywhere. Discam, Clicks. I don't know if Checkers sells oils, but you can excuse me check there as well, like in the food section. So if you're gonna look for oils, like food section, I know Woolies has like. And with the oils, I always steal from my mom in the kitchen because yeah, it's free in my mom's kitchen, so that's where I get all my oils. I think those are like my fighters. Those are my key products, the products that I use like religiously, like, listen, all the time, all the time. Okay, now I'm gonna do like a mini haul from Discount because I went to Discount not so long ago, and these are like a few products that I want to try out. They like, I want to try them out. Yes, those are like my base, like those are like my realist products, but like I do like tend to try new products every now and again to keep up with the times. So I'm gonna be trying these specific two products. I'm gonna be trying them and then I'll let you guys know. Maybe I'll do like a mini review on my IGTV. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, now would be a great time because I think I'm gonna do like a mini IGTV for these two products and then I'll let you guys know how it goes. So that will be my Cantu. I know like a lot of people talk about Cantu, like, guys, everybody talks about Cantu. Every single natural hair person that I know talks about Cantu. So I want to try it. I also want to give it a try. So I'm gonna try this daily oil moisturizer and then I'll let you guys know how it goes. I also bought these. These are like, it's a shampoo and conditioner moisture infusion technique. It's called Protein Plus shampoo and conditioner with silk amino acids to boost moisture. It says it's for control and treatment of frizzy brittle and extra dry hair. An easy to use routine to encourage maximum moisture infusion into dry hair. So, since it's winter, like my hair is dry. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna try these and then I'll let you guys know in my IGTV how it goes. And then, yeah, we'll see. Like, we'll see. Because I've never seen these before, I've never seen them anywhere before, I've never heard anybody talking about it. And I saw them at the store at the scam, and I was like, oh, let me give it a try. So, I'll let you guys know how it goes. So, yeah. I think that's it for today, guys. I think that's all. That's it. We've covered everything. Thank you guys for watching until the end. Like, if you guys reach this part, like, you guys are realists. Like, oh, geez, you guys are like these products. Like, my fighters. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you enjoy my content. Please subscribe, like, share your video with your friends, tell them good to listen here. Simply Sons gave us the tea. Simply Sons gave us products that are on a budget. Simply Sons gave us, listen, the realist, her OGs, her fighters. Listen. So do share with your friends. Comment down below if you've tried any of these products, or if you guys would like me to try specific products. Please comment them down below and I'll give it a look and I'll try. Maybe I'll do like a product review later on. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.